Good morning and welcome to the second marking period awards assembly. So we've had an opportunity to do quite a few now live streams, so this is no longer the first one. Hopefully everything goes smooth. So thank you to all of our Cougar families who are joining us at home, watching us via Facebook. Kudos to all of our students, our staff members who have worked hard over the first couple of months of school, the last few months of school. The second marking period, as I tell families, is the most difficult, it's the most challenging, because it starts in November and runs through Thanksgiving break, and then also winter break during the month of December. In addition to that, our weather is not the best, so students are having to stay inside. So it's a really choppy marking period in general. It takes a lot of hard work from our staff, the students, as well as our families at home. So thank you for all of your hard work. I'll start today by calling up Mrs. Creer. Talking to the microphone.
Hi, friends. I'm so proud of my boys. You guys have done a wonderful job this year. And I have some really great gifts to give you. And you'll get an award and you'll get a sticker, okay? Does that sound good? Yeah. No. It's okay, Ethan. You're so nice. All right. Avanish, come here, hon. You got an award, honey? Come on. Good job, Avanish. You get to choose a sticker. Okay. Yeah. All right, good job, Avanish. Good job, buddy. You got it. For language arts, you've been doing a good job. Come on up, Eden, for your language arts award. Good job. Yay. Alistair, come on up, buddy. You got the math award. You've been doing such an amazing job with addition.
I got a 0 on my math because I did all the
Raymond, come on up, buddy. You got the social studies award. Good job. And then Ethan, buddy, you got an award for reading. Good job, everybody.
Let's give another round of applause for Mrs. Creer's class. At the same time, okay? I apologize. Next up, we have Mrs. Downs. As Mrs. Downs is making her way up, I just want to give a special shout out to some folks that aren't always in the spotlight. Mrs. Boyd, Mr. Blackwell, and Mrs. Peterman. Thank you so much for all of your hard work.
All right, friends, here we go. Mrs. Downs. Science award goes to Kai Bartola.
That's trash.
Come on down.
Next for the Language Arts Award is Giovanni Herbst. Social Studies Award goes to Hussein Rizvi. Last but not least, the Math Award goes to Mr. Tracy Montgomery. All right, let's give them a round of applause.
Again, another round of applause for Mrs. Valentine. Mrs. Valerie, come on up.
Good morning, boys and girls. For statistics, the math award goes to Bibi Amadi. I'm sorry. Our social studies award goes to Youssef. Our language arts award goes to Anisha. And our science award goes to Muzamil. Should we show it to everybody? We'll turn it around the other way. All right, can we have a round of applause, please?
Another round of applause for Mrs. Natalie Bell. Next up, we have Mrs. Swan.
Bibi.
Good morning, everybody.
Good
Okay, the Language Arts Award for my class goes to Madeline Nelson. The Math Award goes to Lila Rosengrant. The Science Award goes to Christian Fix. And the Social Studies Award goes to Chloe Barnett. Good job, guys. Awesome work.
Let's give another round of applause for Ms. Swan. Next up, we have Mrs. Down and Mrs. Jimenez.
Hi friends, we are going to present our awards for our friends in immersion who've been working really hard this marking period. So for language arts in the blue group, we have Lori Glover, and in the green group, Angel Jones.
Venga, Yuri,
Come on, friends.
Angel, vamos.
Yuri, Angel, come on down, great job. And for the social studies award in the blue group, we have Christy Mansella and Neil Liam. Great job, friends, come on down.
Y para el premio de ciencias tenemos Edward Varela. Edward. y Kids del Grupo Verde.
Bien hecho.
Y para matemáticas del Grupo Verde, del Grupo Azul, tenemos Neeson Cooper y del Grupo Verde, Lachlan Ricketts. Y en el programa de inmersión de español tenemos un certificado muy especial, solamente para los niños que están aprendiendo el español.
For our friends who don't speak Spanish, this award is for our friends who've been working really hard on their Spanish literacy skills this marking period.
Tenemos del Grupo Verde, Gareth, y del Grupo Azul, Caitlin.
Gareth and Caitlin,
Gareth y Caitlin. Bien hecho, amores.
Right, let's give another round of applause. Congratulations to all of our award winners.
Recuerden dar su certificado y se los damos en el salón, ¿ok? Se los damos en el salón.
Next up, we have our Related Arts Awards. Our Related Arts Awards are awarded to individual classes. So our Senior Award, SEAM stands for Social, Emotional, Educational Development. Our SEAM Award goes to Mrs. Downs' class. Next up, we have our creative folks, our art award. Our art award goes to Mrs. Dowd's class. Next up, we have our readers. This is the Library Award, and this award is going to go to Miss Swan's class. Next up, we have our singers, right? Our music award. This award is going to go to Missy Menez's class. And last but not least, we have our athletes, our Physical Education Award, and this is going to go to Mrs. Natalie's class. At this time, I conclude our live stream. Thank you to all of our Cougar families who joined us at home. Have a great day.